Why is there a need for the restoration of the soul? As we deal with this world, a lot of times our feelings get hurt, our feelings are bruised. Some people are so wounded and bruised that they become bitter, they become antagonistic. Some look down on themselves and they think that their lives are worthless or their lives do not matter. Negativity of that feeling gets to them in such a way that it lodges that hurt and grows it to become bitterness, resentment, deep-seated bitterness, which the Bible calls the root of bitterness that defiles. Bitterness defiles. It can even make a person fail from the grace of God. The grace of God never fails, but people can fail from the grace of God. The grace of God never fails, but people can fall from the grace of God. The prescription that Jesus gave us is forgive. And why does Jesus tell us to forgive? He tells us to forgive because vengeance does not belong to us. Vengeance is the Lord's. So he says, vengeance is mine, I will repay. Follow peace with all men and holiness, without which no man shall see the Lord.